They are the domesticated bird, helpful and lovable companions for a farm and even your own backyard. The most common domesticated bird you'll see around is the chicken. Now these birds right here are specifically known as the Jersey Giants. Their large size and place of origin giving them their name. These chickens are usually more friendly and gentle than most, with feathers that are soft and fluffy to the touch. Along with the chickens are the guinea hens. The hens are domesticated just as the chickens, but are a bit more skittish and free-roaming. They don't generally approach people unless food is given. Other than that, they tend to keep to their own and do what they do. All in all, both the chickens and guinea hens are good companions to have around. They're helpful when it comes to dealing with ticks and other insects around the yard, and their eggs can make some good omelets, or make you some good money if you're willing to sell them. They're all lovable and unique in their own ways. They could do anything.
Excuse me, would you like to answer a few questions I have for you? It'll only take a minute. Please? Please? Come back.
Have you ever seen an alien?
How was your day today?
How's that water?
Please, come back!
Okay, maybe they're not the most cooperative in everything, but they're still wonderful animals anyways.